refuse to crawl. Deal with it, deal with it. Deal with it, deal with it. Can't seem to make it have that much sense. You're making me hold back to what expense. I'm done with it, done with it. Deal with it, deal with it. Well, I'm just checking, checking. Do you always feel this threat? No, I can't explain how it feels to be put up on display. That's always been the way. Does that mean that it has to stay? Can't smile too wide, cause then they'll think that I wanna confide. Build it up so they can't see what's on the other side.
It's something about your vibe and your essence. It was only for a couple of seconds, but I really fell in love with your presence. I graded that an A+ pretty. She said her makeup fitty. I told her with or without it, I'm breathless. We kicking it like Tekken. No, we ain't running from nobody, girl, we steppin'. No, I ain't got time to play, cause I'm bringing that check in. If ever you feel threatened, I got you where my chest is, just check in. On one hand, I'm feeling like it's the right move. Other hand, saying love a game that you might lose. She down to ride in whatever lane that I choose. She 5'7" and heels built like a haiku. White coupe, the top poof, we making boss moves. Shotty strapped up, gon' bust if you make a false move. Back then, they slept on us, we let them all snooze. Trapped in my cold heart, but you make the walls move.
Can't seem to make it